Now let's quickly have a look at the vraag examples there, what we must remember if it's a question. So if I ask you, gee die onderwyser goeie punte? Gee die onderwyser goeie punte? Of gee die onderwyser goeie punte vir Jenny? Of let's leave the name out for now. Vir die klas om hulle stil te maak. Vraag. Now if I ask you, okay, like that, so I'm going to explain this in 2 examples. Or if someone asks you, gaan jy vandag winkels toe om kos te koop? Right, so first things first, what we must remember is pronouns changes. If there are pronouns, the pronouns must change because they're asking you or someone, or it depends on what they ask, but you must check out your pronouns. Cool, so that's one thing. Let's see if what would you say is the, and that is on the next slide. Now, what would be the negative answer? And they will start in IEB, they will start your sentence like this. So you must know that it's in the ontkenning. So now it becomes ontkenning, denial, ontkenning. Okay, what would you say? Gee die onderwyser goeie punte vir die klas om hulle stil te maak?
Nee, gee die onderwyser nie goeie punte vir die klas om hulle stil te maak nie.
Okay, so now let's focus on the difference between negative and when you answer in the ontkenning, which is also negative, but when you answer in the negative, it becomes ontkenning. So I'm asking you, do the teacher give good marks to the kids? No. In English, no.
So when do I know when to change the question into a negative question and when to answer the question?
When they start your sentence with no.
Oh, okay. Nee, die onderwyser gee nie goeie punte vir die klas om hulle stil te maak nie.
Very good. So you can make two, you can focus on two important things here. You started when you do when you do denial, when they want you to start with near, then you leave the near there, but you begin your sentence in the negative with subject verb 1 negative 1, and you remember that it goes, the second negative goes after your infinitive. Okay, so that's what you did correctly there. If they ask you, gaan jy vandag klas winkels toe om kos te koop, and you have to answer in the negative and they want you to start your sentence with me again, what is your subject going to be? Because if you answer in the negative, then you will have no and then comma and then subject.
Yes.
Okay, so gaan jy vandag winkels toe om kos te koop? Nee.
Ek gaan nie vandag winkels toe nie om kos. No. Okay, wait. Nee, ek gaan nie vandag winkels toe om kos te koop nie.
Excellent. Okay, make a note. You started with a subject, but you changed your pronoun to act because they're asking you. You put your verb 1 down, you put your negative 1 down, and then you put your negative 2 after the infinitive if there is an infinitive in your sentence. So that's correct as well. Okay.